Hi, it's Zara, and welcome to our company presentation for Soundon New Energy. Soundon is a world-class battery manufacturer located in Hunan Province, China. Utilizing a combination of robotics, high-intelligence systems, digitalization, our highly educated workforce and high automation all integrated into a comprehensive smart factory solution for state-of-the-art battery production. Our world-class environmental management, technical ability and strict quality assurance ensures we will always be a leader in the battery technology space. Soundon's main factory in Soundon is easily accessible to visit. You can fly from Bowen Airport Shenzhen, or by high-speed bullet train direct to Changsha City from Hong Kong. As a comprehensive service provider specializing in lithium battery energy research development and integrated solutions, Soundon is committed to the research and production of lithium battery energy and power system solutions. Our cell production capacity is currently 22 gigawatt, with a capability to produce NMC and LFP battery cells. SNE also produces 50,000 tons of NCM and LFP battery cathode material. Our products are widely used in energy storage, aviation, transportation, communication, and information technology. Soundon has separate divisions for lithium-ion cathode material, lithium-ion batteries, ESS, and electric vehicles. Each department works independently, allowing us to remain focused. Soundon's major shareholder is Sound Group, China's leading environmental protection industry enterprise. Soundon's main production facilities in Soundon covers 2 million square meters, around 8 square miles. It's that large. We use electric cars to shuttle staff around the plant. The factory is set in a beautiful industrial park with stunning backdrops, semi-powered by an integrated ESS system. Hunan Province is also famous for very tasty spicy food that we encourage visitors to try, and also see the sights in our beautiful province. Soundon employs 300+ technical engineers covering cell design, BMS, electrical engineering, and structural design. We pride ourselves on producing grade A+ quality products. Our power electronics, technical expertise ensures production efficiencies, making us very competitive. SNE is an ISO 90002, ISO 14001, IATF 16949 certified company practicing total quality management. Soundon's manufacturing platform is a fully integrated cloud-monitored battery solution. From production of NMC and LFP cells, we specialize in a complete multi-energy ecosystem with integrated data platform, state-of-the-art BMS, monitoring via SEP and BCP, battery recycling at end of life, either from secondary battery utilization or battery regeneration. It's all part of our circular economy, zero waste, manufacturing process. From commercial vehicles, forklift trucks, to shipping container batteries and home battery storage, Soundon have got you covered. Soundon New Energy has a diverse product capability, and we will show you some examples from our long-term customers, hopefully explaining why our battery and power electronics, technical expertise, as well as production efficiencies are second to none. Soundon is not only a world-class leader in innovation and battery technology, but highly regarded for its product quality, on-time delivery, and competitive pricing. SNE is also a leader in the manufacturing of smart commercial electric vehicle battery systems. We like to think we are a winning proposition for all our partners, no matter what battery field they are in. Let's take a look at some of the products we manufacture, and also give you a flavor of our customer base. On all products shown on this presentation, please don't hesitate to inquire about data sheets. 17.5 amp NMC cell modules that are used as the backbone for the majority of our NMC modules and packs. 32 amp NMC modules used for the manufacturing of battery packs. Available in various configurations from 2.8 to 6.54 kWh. 50 to 200 amp 2.2 kWh NMC modules used for the manufacturing of battery packs. Smart EV NMC battery. We can supply to your design and already supply to major customers including Geely, LEV, and FAW who supply Audi in China. Smart EV van NMC battery. We can supply your custom design and already supply among our many customers to Chang'an in China. Smart EV truck NMC battery. Available as per your design. We can also supply LFP solutions. Soundon have an extremely dynamic commercial vehicle team. We have been technology partners with customers like C Electric, whom we supply their patented C-Drive battery system for over a decade. According to Tony Fairweather, C Electric president and founder, Soundon is not only a world-class leader in innovation and battery technology, but highly regarded for its product quality, on-time delivery, and competitive pricing. Our long-term relationship with Soundon has been a very successful commercial journey, and we anticipate continuing to share our global successes. Check out C Electric at www.c-electric.com. Smart EV tractor using NMC battery. We can also supply LFP solutions. Among our largest customers are Escorts and Synalica. Let's talk about our LFP energy storage solutions. Soundon's smart modular platform is designed with whisper quiet liquid-cooled or air-cooled options, giving you up to 50% more energy storage and a 2% energy saving bump in comparison to competitors of similar size. Systems are produced using our 280-amp LFP battery cell. Soundon's Whisper Quiet 1500-volt smart grid system platform are powered by LFP batteries we produce at our 6-gigawatt factory for ESS storage projects. Products can be purchased as complete IP54 and IP67 BESS systems, IP67 racking systems, or as separate modules that can be installed in your own products. Here's an overview of the multiple configurations available. 43 kWh smart liquid-cooled LFP battery modules. 344 kWh smart liquid-cooled explosion-proof fire-retardant IP67 LFP battery cabinets. 3.44 MWh smart liquid-cooled IP67 20-foot BESS container battery system. 3 MWh is available as usable energy. 18 kWh smart air-cooled LFP battery modules. 3.2 MWh air-cooled IP54 20-foot BESS container battery system. 2.5 MWh is available as usable energy. 5.7 MWh smart air-cooled 40-foot high-cubed IP54 BESS container battery system. 5 MWh is available as usable energy. With all products we can fully customize with your brand. BESS systems come complete with air conditioning, fire suppression systems, and PCs. We would like to now introduce you to our home energy storage system. It's IP55 fully expandable wall-mounted with a remote monitoring app. Battery works with most inverter systems with up to 20 kWh of energy storage. Our 6,000 cycles LFP battery ensures at least 10 years of life at full capacity. Our smart EV charging station garage is multi-configurable and comes with ESS, solar panels, wind turbines, and capable of being set up as an off-grid EV charging station garage. Soundon can supply air-cooled or liquid-cooled battery options as well as EV chargers. We can help you customize a solution that fits your business model. Our smart EV charging station is arguably one of the most robust options for on-grid off-grid EV charging. You can see a working demo of this product powered by recycled batteries at our factory, or we can show you it working via conference call. Soundon sell a complete range of industry-standard telecom battery modules for 19-inch cabinets. Contact us for further information. Soundon are an ongoing developing company. Here's a small peek at our technical roadmap for batteries for the next few years. Blink, and you may miss it. Factory certification for our company. Details of some of the customers Soundon New Energy are business partners with. Thank you for watching this presentation. For further information and technical details, email info@soundonnewenergy.com or check out the website at www.soundonnewenergy.com.